for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.